Hello, everybody. This is Farida Bharmal here. By profession, I'm a counselor, a graphologist, a life skills trainer, and I'm so happy to be here again. I was having around, 10 minutes before my next, 11 minutes before my next appointment. So I said, why not, tackle some of the questions which were coming to me. Hello, everybody, whoever is joining in. Thank you so much for joining in. Okay, so there are some of the questions which I have been receiving on my inbox, which is what is a business owner, or what does a business owner do consistently? And the other thing is that, how are you managing your work and your home? How are you managing a balance between those? So I'll try and make it as generalized as possible, but this is something which would really go well with both, whether it is business owners or whether it is us as as housewives. So one thing that really works well if you are into a business is doing things consistently. Okay, so if you are into, whether you are on Instagram or you are on LinkedIn or anywhere, whatever your business, the whatever you do consistently will grow. And in the same way, your own ability in it, your confidence will grow, and at the same time people will keep coming back and knowing that you are there. So yes, be consistent. If you are a business owner, definitely be consistent. Now when it is concerned with managing both the work and your business, what do you do at that point of time? Very, very important. For that, some management lessons were to plan, to organize what we have planned, to lead that plan across, to delegate it up, and then to review it back. So let me explain it, very, very clearly. What do I mean by that? See, planning is one half of life. Okay, I would say it is like it is one of the most important things which you do. If you have not planned it, then if you're not planning, then you're planning to fail. Okay, so make sure that whatever it is, whatever if you have something on your mind, sit, write it down. Write it. I'm not just saying it is a to-do list. I'm saying that whatever is in your mind at present, at this point, just go ahead and write it down. Because once it's written, you will be in a position to sort out and schedule it in your calendar or wherever you want to schedule it. You'll need to prioritize your work. Okay, everything cannot be done by you. So is there anything which needs to be delegated? Delegate it. Everything, at times we feel this also I will do, that also I will do, this also, it doesn't work that way. If I am only going to be the one to do all the work, then what is the point of me being an entrepreneur? It's like, I'm self-employed and doing all 10 works. So yes, if you are getting a good help, you are getting somebody to do that work for you, please get it. Okay. Be prepared for new opportunities. Okay, this is something which my mentor has been saying for quite some time. I tell her, that sometimes things don't work out. I tell her, what is the point of me doing so much, so much, so much when things are not working out? She said, no. We got lost in the middle somewhere. Things will work out for you, but for you really need to be prepared for them to come your way. All right. So the most important, or the best way to do it is keep learning, keep investing in your growth. Allow those opportunities to come to you. Allow yourself to learn from whatever it is that you're doing. Okay. Invest in your growth. Apart from that, you will at the end of it, you have planned, you have organized, you have maybe delegated your tasks to somebody. What else remains? What remains is for you to go back and check, for you to go back and review how you have done, what you have done, how you have done. whether it has worked, whether it has not worked. So these are some of the things that you really need to take into account while organizing yourself and your work. Apart from that, see, you cannot work 24/7. There will be times wherein you will need a me space, wherein you're not doing anything except being for yourself and taking care of yourself. So that is very, very important. See, you cannot keep pouring from an empty glass. In order to pour something or give something to anybody else, you need your glass to be full. Is it not? So at times it so happens that we have given to our home, we have given to our work, we have given to our children, we have given everybody, but then we have become empty. So we need to, refill our cup again. And that is very, very important. So take time to relax, take time to play. I really hope this very short session would have given you a little bit of clarity as to how you could proceed on. Okay, so I will take your leave now. Thank you so much for listening to me and joining in today. I would love to take some questions also. I'll be having some lives which we'll be covering. And, I would really love to take some questions as well. So what I'm going to do is, if there are certain topics which you would like to talk about or want information on, please go ahead and let me know. Okay, in my own inbox, and we'll try and I'll try and help you out as to what is there. All right, thank you so much and have a good day.